Lavender. Lavender is a really strong herb, the smell of many perfumes, and that with honey, which is sweet, in a sauce with lamb. I hope she gets that balance right.
Bridal consultant Kerry grew up in Northern Ireland, and food was an integral part of her family life.
My grandmother and my aunts are great cooks. There was always something cooking on that range. So I know how to make all the very traditional dishes, and that's kind of passed down through the generations to my generation, and I'm hopefully passing that on to my daughter as well. One of the basic things you're taught to cook as a young Irish girl is Irish stew. So my dish is, it's kind of like a posh Irish stew. Rack of lamb. I'm doing a beautiful little pistachio crumb with roast potatoes and heritage carrots, and also some little turnip balls, and I'm doing a lavender honey jus with it.
Lavender honey, that's bees gone to a lavender plant, right?
Yeah, that's right. I watched the bees all during lockdown go to my lavender plant, and I thought, oh, there must be beautiful lavender honey somewhere. So this is a French lavender honey that I'm using today.
Lavender. Lavender is a really strong herb, the smell of many perfumes, and that with honey, which is sweet, in a sauce with lamb. I hope she gets that balance right. Is your pan on?
Yes,
Because you've only got 15 minutes to go and your duck's just going on now?
Yes.
Right.
Just the beef, I don't think it's going to be done in time, so it's just down to the wire now.
They're not ravioli. Ravioli's either round or square, and that's agnolotti.
They're half round.
No.
This duck's taken a lot longer than I thought it was going to be honest. It's gonna be close, I think. Yeah.
Cooked enough?
I think so. I'm very happy with that colour.
Struggling.
You haven't got a great deal of time to rest this now, have you?
No,
You got 2 minutes.
I've got it wrong, Greg.
You have just 60 seconds. Get it on the plate right now. 60 seconds. You've got to get that duck on the plate now. Right now. That's it. Stop. Time's up. Well done.
Finally, it's bridal consultant Kerry, with her take on an Irish stew. Roast rack of lamb, served with roast potatoes, a mint and pistachio crumb, whiskey and lavender glazed turnips, heritage carrots, and a lavender honey lamb jus.
Lamb's cooked really nicely, well seasoned on the outside. And the pistachio crumb with the mint, it's going to work beautifully with lamb, of course it is. Potatoes, crispy. Sauce is great, it's rich and dark. I tell you what, if every Irish stew tasted like that, I'd love Irish stew for the rest of my life.
Those turnips with the lavender honey. What a lovely idea that is. Really nice. Lavender, almost floral, keeps it fresh. I'm loving this combination. It's really doing it for me.
Thank you. I feel amazing. For John and Greg to love it so much is an absolute marvel to me. I can't believe it.
The first cook getting an apron. Is Kerry. Second apron. Alexina. Really, really fascinating food. Kerry, Alexina, come up and collect your aprons.
Bravo. Well done.
Good job.